What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're unboxing the newest Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport series. On the back of each one, we have all of the vehicles included in this set, including the Volkswagen ID.R and Aerolift, 2021 Toyota GR Supra and Aerolift, Corvette C8.R and Carry-On. And we'll start it off with the Volkswagen ID.R and Aerolift right here. Very nice presentation for all of these Car Culture Team Transport. Let's go ahead and pop it open. And first up, we see Aerolift and the Volkswagen ID.R. The ID.R is sitting on top of Aerolift, and it is actually nicely wedged right into it so that it stays into place. We're gonna try our best to just take it off right there so it does pull out. You can see how that kind of squared off front bumper, front lip just fits nicely into the Aerolift, which is really cool. So that comes off completely. We'll put the Aerolift aside for a second and have a look at the ID.R, and you can see how fantastic this thing looks. You can see the VW logo just right on the top right there, the big rear wing. We got Bridgestone and some other writing just right on there. We got the ID.R just on the front right there. You can see that crazy front lip on there, which is just for the aerodynamics. Obviously, this is an electric supercar or race car in real life. You can see the premium wheel and tire combination. These are real riders on here. We do have the nice glossy black on the bottom, but overall it's a fantastic look. We pick up our Aerolift. You can see our Aerolift is essentially it's just a tow truck that's made to lift up our ID.R, and we can see that the Aerolift does have the R on here from the ID.R, which is really cool. And this back piece as well does come off right here, so we can just pull that right off, which is kind of neat. So you can see how you can just have the Aerolift just sitting like that, and I don't think the ID.R fits. It kind of does fit just like that, so you could put it on display like that, but I think having that trailer piece back on there, which just clips right back on, looks a lot better. We do have the real rider tires on here as well, which is really good. So we'll put the ID.R just right in here, and we'll kind of wedge it right into place. And you can see it doesn't fall off. It does kind of come out, but it doesn't fall off. It stays nicely in place. But great looking Car Culture Team Transport. And next up, we do have the 2021 Toyota GR Supra with the Aerolift again. This time the Aerolift obviously in the livery of the GR Supra. You can see that nice picture display on there as well. But let's go ahead and open this one up. And this time we've got our GR Supra right here, and it is just resting on here. It's not wedged in or anything like that, but the way that the packaging is, it keeps it into place, which is really cool. I really love how they do the packaging on here. But let's go ahead and have a look at our GR Supra first, and you can see it's got the big GR on the side of it. Very nice. We've got the real rider tire wheel combination on there. Great detail on the back end with all the lights all painted, the little Toyota logo right on there. Nice glossy white color, and then the glossy red kind of matching with the black line in the middle. We do have great looking detail on the front end of this one as well. Just fantastic looking of a vehicle, and you can just see it right there. Just this color just suits the GR Supra very well. We'll grab our Aerolift, and you can see the Aerolift is in the same type of colors as our GR Supra, so same thing all around. And this one obviously as well also does come apart just like our other Aerolift does. We'll go ahead and put our GR Supra just right on the back right there, and you can see how fantastic this one looks. But just a great combination. And last but definitely not least is our Corvette C8.R with Carry-On right here. And this was probably the hardest one to find. I actually had the two other ones before, and I finally found this one so we could do this video. But just an excellent looking one, that C8.R. Let's go ahead and pop this open right away here. And there we have Carry-On and C8.R right here. I love the color of it. You guys know yellow is my favorite color, so obviously this C8.R I think looks fantastic. We'll put the Carry-On down for a second. We'll look at this C8.R in yellow, and you can see the nice graphics on the side of it. And just on the top, we've got that gray stripe with the Corvette logo just right there on the roof, which looks great. I love the painted lights on here, the graphics on the front, the nice diffuser on the front end right there. a little lip, and then the back big diffuser. Nice huge wing on it, painted taillights on here for great detail on here. Just an overall excellent looking car. The Corvette C8.R is just one of my favorite modern sports cars. It's just a phenomenal looking car, phenomenal performance in real life. And then we've got our carry-on right here, which is in, of course, the same type of style livery. We've got the yellow, we've got the gray on the top, we've got the gray all around. We can see that nice big front grille on the carry-on. We've got the lights on the front of it right here, and it's got this slanted style pickup type of carrier. So this one we can actually just put down right here, and we can kind of, I mean, if it was the same like real life, we would be able to just drive this right up here. This bed would actually lower right to the ground, so this could just drive right up. So we'll drive it just right up right there, and then we can get a nice good look at what it looks like on the carry-on. Just an excellent all-around grouping. I really love this one right here. In the comments section down below, let me know which team transport of these three was your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.